Spinner brought back from the other end. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. Ah, that's a good throw. Straight into his hands. Now that's a good 50. It will be appreciated by the crowd. Good placement by the batsman. He should be looking for some runs here. That's a quick throw, right on top of the stumps. Very good running between the wickets. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked.